What is Infinity Grid Bot? As a premium strategy derived from the spot grid trading bot, the Infinity Grid Bot is designed to avoid missing out on trending market when crypto prices run high. With the Infinity Grid Bot, you don't have to be worried that the prices would breach the upper price bound as the markets go bullish. The total amount of assets are kept constant as the Infinity Grid Bot buys low and sells high constantly according to your set parameters. How does the Infinity Grid Bot work? While the Spot Grid Bot places orders at fixed price intervals, arithmetic mode, the Infinity Grid Bot does so at a percentage interval, geometric mode, without the upper price bound. Whenever the Infinity Grid Bot sells high, the appreciated amount exceeding the initial value will be sold out. To make things easier to understand, we will take the BTC-USDT pair as an example. Supposedly, the investor Tom holds a number of BTC with a market value of 50,000 USDT before running the Infinity Grid Bot, and he sets the profit per grid as 1%. When the price drops, the bot will buy BTC to keep the total value of BTC holdings at 50,000 USDT. When the price rises, the bot will sell BTC, keeping the value at 50,000 USDT in the strategy. In a nutshell, the Infinity Grid Bot operates at geometric grid intervals without a price range and helps investors make profit by keeping their investment at a constant size. If you are not good in predicting short-term price movements, why not try the Infinity Grid Bot? It is suitable for upward trending market and makes decent profits for you for the long term.